let's look at the qualities which are needed to become a sales manager. So what are the can do? It need to be effectively lead and motivate the people. So the leadership skills in sales has to be there. As a leader, you're gonna manage a couple of sales associates, a couple of sales agents, not only the direct person who are directly responding to you, but also the operational staff, so that they can help you sell the other services to the guests while they are in the hotel. So everybody has to be responsible for selling. So the sales managers usually are leaders who can motivate the people to sell more and more, make good decisions. Sales, especially in the hospitality, is a very typical situation where you have to trade off between a group and between few groups, between taking a group or not, and foregoing the individual business. You may have to make decision on the pricing, whether to give a discount or not to give a discount, whether to do certain promotions. You need to be able to make a good decision. So the good decision making requires you to evaluate the situation, make the alternative options, solutions, evaluate each and every alternative solution to on the multifaceted benchmarks: financial, qualitative, organizational impact, and also the image of the company, and then make a choice on to make a decision. So the decision making process is a science and art which is covered in different course we have. So we're gonna be covering that decision making in another aspect. Then we solve the problems creatively. Innovation is a very important aspect. When we are providing the solutions to the customers, if let's say there are groups, they are asking for some things which the hotel is not providing or is difficult to provide, the sales managers usually are very creative in coming up with the ideas of resolving the guest problems or needs into creative solutions. We have to work with our vendors, with our suppliers, with our employees to create these problems. Providing the outstanding communication to every stakeholder, be it the internal staff, be it the reservation, be it the guests, be it the suppliers. So we have to provide effective communication throughout our workspace. Monitor the competitive offering. So the effective sales manager should be able to monitor the competition, what the competition is doing in our space, what kind of promotions they are, of new products they are offering, what kind of prices they are running, what kind of business they are going after. Improve the sales force productivity and profitability by doing a lot of training. Salesforce requires continuous training on the new products, on the skills, on the selling skills, upselling skills. So the effective sales managers usually are very effective at the training of their employees.